How to turn off voice chat on Fortnite. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to turn off your voice chat in Fortnite, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Fortnite application on your device and wait for the lobby screen to load. Once it loads, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From your profile section, you'll need to click on the gear icon at the top right and select this button at the top that says communication. Inside communication option, make sure you've selected voice chat. Now, right after you select voice chat, click on the arrow right next to it and keep it to off if you want to turn off voice chat. Right after you select off, click on apply at the bottom right to save the change. So right after you do that, you'll be able to turn off voice chat in Fortnite. Now your voice chat is turned off and you can enjoy Fortnite with peace and focus. No unwanted voices, just smooth gameplay. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.